In this video, we are going to take a look at the user interface. SketchUp should have a toolbar at the top of the screen. If you don't see it, go to the View menu and choose Show Toolbar. The toolbar contains a number of commonly used commands. However, this is not the only way you can access these tools. You can go to the View menu under the Tool Patterns and show the large tool set. Note that there are also additional tool palettes available in here. The large tool set has many of the same tools that you see up here. For example, if I click the Eraser tool, it highlights both in the large tool set and on the toolbar. It also appears up here in the tool menu and it shows that it's checked because it's currently selected. It doesn't really matter where you find the tool. It's a matter of personal preferences. Let's close the large tool set. Next, I would like to show you how you can customize the toolbar. Just right click on any one of the tools to access this shortcut menu, then choose Customize Toolbar. In Windows, go to the View menu and choose Customize Toolbar. You can scroll down to find all the different tools that are available. If you find one that you want to put on the toolbar, simply drag it out and drop it. Note that I can also pick up another tool in this mode and move it, and everything automatically moves over to make space for it. If you don't want to tool, you can drag it out and drop it, and it vanishes in the puff of smoke. Some of the tools are larger and they contains this whole unit. If I drag standard views up here, the whole unit goes on the toolbar. Pretty soon, if you are going to turn out of space, if you try to get all the tools up here on the toolbar, it's just not possible. If you want to reset the toolbar back to the way it was originally, you can drag this element and drop it on the toolbar. That will reset everything back to the factory default. That's the way I'm going to work. I will click Done. In the lower right hand corner, there is a text box that says measurements right now. You don't have to click in this text box to enter measurements. It's really for your information only. As you are typing numbers, they will appear down here in the lower right. As you are using the different tools, information about us. Tools will appear on the status bar right in this area. What it says depends on the tool that you have selected. As you are learning in the tools for the first time, it's important that you read the status bar and see what SketchUp is trying to tell you. Finally, there are a few buttons down here in the lower left. They open various dialog boxes. If I click down here, it will go to the credits page in the model info dialog box. I will close that. SketchUp comes with a number of floating windows which you can access from the window menu. We have already seen the model info, try entity info. Open up a few of those to see what they look like. Now pretty soon you are going to run out of room on the screen to work. That's why it's important to be able to toggle this on and off. Many of these can be docked together by dragging them over and they kind of snap together. Then you can move them as a unit. I will open up scenes as well and I will dock that with these others. They function as a single unit. In Windows, it's little bit different. This is called a default tray and it's permanently docked to the right half of the screen like this. You will be able to open and close this within the tray. The various items within the tray have the exact same functionality that you find on the Mac. It's just that the user interface is slightly different. This concludes our brief tour of the SketchUp user interface. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe our YouTube channel at SketchUp Academy and also download the SketchUp Academy app now.